console.
Well, cool. This is a brand new Toyota Sienna. And on the console there,
You
can either push that button and it opens up the side door here.
Or
you can do it the other side too. Go ahead and push it for the other side from there. So from the driver's seat, you can control both sliding doors. And then you can close them right there on the pillar by the door itself. Then we have the liftgate. There's the closing of the side. Can you do the liftgate from up there?
yeah.
Okay, where is it? Is it up? Okay, so up on the top of the console is the liftgate. And then if you want to close it, you can close it from the button that's right there.
Wow.
Very quiet and smooth.
That's it.
Toyota Sienna.